friends, welcome to Nakshana. Today I have made an hair oil which fights dandruff. The most common reasons for dandruff is due to body heat, dry scalp and climatic change. This neem hair oil helps to cool our body and fights dry scalp. I will also share a trick to use this oil without making our hair oily at the end of the video. I have used cold pressed oil to get the maximum result. For the base, we will need coconut oil, sesame oil and castor oil. The other ingredients which we are going to add in the oil are gooseberry, curry leaves, kalonji seeds, fenugreek seeds, neem leaves. You can add as much as you want. And a handful of shallots. Now let's prep the ingredients. Separate the neem leaves from the stem. Finely chop the small onions and gooseberry. Powder kalonji seeds and fenugreek seeds. Heat a kadai. We should specifically choose iron kadai. And add 1.5 cups of coconut oil, quarter cup of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Keep the flame in medium-high. Let it warm up and reach the right temperature. To find the right temperature, drop a curry leaf in the oil and see when it starts to turn crisp. Now, this is the right time to add in our ingredients. Now the curry leaf has turned dark and crisp. First, add the curry leaves and stir for a few minutes. Curry leaves are rich in iron, beta-carotene and proteins. They also contain amino acids and antioxidants which strengthen the hair follicles and moisturize the scalp. When we add the fresh curry leaves, the oil bubbles a lot. Then the bubble subsides when the leaves are fully crisp. This is the time to add the next ingredient. Next, I am adding the neem leaves. Neem leaves has a lot of medical properties. It prevents dandruff and itchy scalp due to its antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. It also stimulates hair growth. Now oil has turned green, absorbing the nutrients from the leaves. When neem leaves turn crisp, add shallots. The sulfur in shallots aids the production of collagen tissues that support hair growth. Once the bubbles in the oil is gone, add gooseberry. Gooseberry is also known as amla and plays a key role in growth and maintenance of our hair. It is rich in vitamin C, which helps in stimulating hair growth, and it also fights premature graying and increases the darkness of our hair. It also cures dryness and prevents the accumulation of dandruff and the itching caused by it. The antioxidants present in amla shields our hair from various hair damages caused by dust, pollution, hair products, and hair styling tools. Finally, add powdered kalonji seeds and fenugreek seeds. Kalonji seeds has anti-inflammatory components. It also promotes hair growth in dormant hair follicles. Fenugreek seeds moisturizes and makes our hair shiny and silky. Switch off the flame after 2 minutes and let the oil cool to room temperature. After it cools to room temperature, cover it with a lid and leave it for 1 day. The next day, strain the oil and store it in an airtight container. The tip to oil daily without making the hair oily is to apply a small amount of oil on the scalp and then comb the hair to spread the oil throughout your hair. Thus, the oil spreads evenly without making our scalp oily.